So, what is the manometric efficiency of a centrifugal pump? The ratio of the manometric head to the head imparted by the impeller to the water is known as manometric efficiency. Mathematically, it is written as eta MAN is equal to manometric head upon head imparted by the impeller to water, or the following expression. We can also define it as the power at the impeller of the pump being more than the power given to the water at the outlet of the pump. The ratio of the power given to water at the outlet of the pump to the power available at the impeller is known as manometric efficiency. In this lecture on centrifugal pumps, you are not required to make notes. We already did it for you, to save you time. You can buy the detailed notes from the link mentioned in the description, for less than the cost of a chocolate bar. See you in the next video.